Hey, what's up everyone? It's Vasscis here bringing you another Call of Duty Black Ops 3 video, and I'm super hyped up, or I just have like a major hype, or I'm just super, you know, frisky and stuff like that. But the class I'm using right now is this class setup. If y'all want to try it out because I feel like it's amazing. My car is about to explode. Okay, just gonna leave it like that. But yeah, if you haven't checked out my channel, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. You know, helps me mean a lot. Oh my, and I'm lagging severely. But you know what? I think my intenseness or energetic body right now can handle it. Nope, it can't handle that. Okay, you know, ain't gonna let this happen. Oh, was he using my gun? Nope, okay. Super close.
Slowed him.
Frag close.
Okay, that was my teammate. Go! Oh my god. He's gonna die by that, I bet. Nope, okay.
EKIA.
Oh, wait, okay, we good, we good. And y'all might be sick and tired of watching me play gameplays all over Nuketown. I know it's getting quite annoying, but you know, people just love voting for it, and I just like, I'm getting tired of Nuketown. It's like not one of my favorite maps anymore. It used to be one of the best maps when it was like a joy to play. Now it's like, why did I love this? I don't know, maybe like in the old Call of Duty when you didn't have like wall runs and everything looked more realistic instead of futuristic.
Neutralized.
Oh my god.
Incoming frag.
What was that noise I just made? Come on now. It should have been an easy kill. Silence. Straight up silence. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Spectre wasted.
Hostile lightning strike targeting.
Where is he? Where is he? Come on now. There we go. No. Of course he just melee me. You know what? Just melee a person is stabbing another person. Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. And you know what? A person just kills me with the rubber. That's like very harsh on me. That's like, wow. Why would you do such a thing? Oh my god. We are losing. Come on, teammates. I know I'm negative, but screw that. Here's my KD these days. Apparently me, actually. I live on KD. No! I'm gonna die. Come on now. Get over here. Nope, I died. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay.
Single shooter. Friendly UAV inbound.
You know, he dead. No, why did I grab his weapon? That didn't work well whatsoever. Come on. Oh, we got a hater? And I still died. Come on. Dude, this person's like rocking the KD of 2.
Smoke.
No, you're not gonna. He got me. He got me.
Liquidated.
Whoa. Got that war machine before he killed me.
The world is watching. Be advised. Hostile care package overhead.
Okay, we got 15 kills to make me positive. Positive. Oh. Excuse me.
RPG. Get gun.
Oi. Come on now. Nope. Okay. And we are positive. Come on. Now.
Hostile Hellstorm
Gotta
inbound.
stay positive. Whoa. Okay. Thinking negative right now. Bros.
Enemy down.
Yeah. And we finished off with 21 and 21. Yeah. Unfortunately, we did lose dramatically. No, it wasn't dramatically. Very intensely. You know what? That was a good game on their part. I respect them for that. But if y'all like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. It means a lot to me. It makes me want to post more for y'all. Take a breather. And I'm Vasscis signing out.